it's Dr. Ella Pantazis again, and today we're going to do some stretches for the calf muscle. It's great for the lower leg, also for plantar fasciitis, and we're also going to do some basic knee exercises. They're very basic. Both of these should be easily done for anyone who's in the middle of pain. You just do them gently to your ability. So let's start with the calf stretch. You're going to need to be facing a wall. You're going to put your hands on the wall, one leg back, and then drop that heel to the ground. You want to lock that knee, so heel down, knee locked, and then you're going to lean into the wall with your hips. So it's not a push-up, you're actually leaning into the wall with your hip and keep that heel down into the ground. Okay, you'll hold that for 5 seconds, come on back out, drop the heel, lock your knee, lean forward into the wall again. That's the first part. Second part is you're going to bring that foot in just a little bit closer. Again, drop that heel to the ground. This time put your weight over that leg and just start to squat down in a little mini squat. When you do that, you should feel a little tug up the back of your heel and into your calf. Keep the heel down. Try not to let it raise up. Once again, you're going to drop the heel, put your weight over that leg, squat down gently until you feel a good pull. Try not to lean forward. Try to be nice and upright when you squat. All right, you'll hold each of those positions for 5 seconds. Try to do 10 or 15, or even better yet, try to do it in snippets throughout the day. You might be doing just a few, 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day. Alrighty, now we're going to need either a table or a bed or a hunk of floor to lay on, and we're going to do some exercises for your knee. In order to do these exercises, you're going to need a bolster or a rolled up towel, and you're going to lay flat out on your bed or on the floor. And it's called 3-part knee arc or 3-part knee extension. So what you're going to do first, the first part is no arc. So you're going to straighten that knee, bring your toes up, feel that quadricep muscle engage. You're going to hold that for 5 seconds and then relax it. Once again, straighten that knee, feel that quadricep muscle engage, toes up, hold for 5 seconds, and then relax. And you'll do 10 repetitions of that. The second arc requires your bolster. You're going to put the bolster underneath your knees. And this time, you're going to straighten that leg over the bolster. You're not just engaging the quadricep. That heel has to come up off the ground, but your back of your leg is still on the bolster. Hold for 5 seconds. Let it go back down and your foot touch the ground again. Bring it back up, toes up, heel off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds, and then relax it back down. And you'll do 5 seconds apiece, 10 repetitions in that position. Now we're up to the third arc. So in the third arc, you're going to stretch over the bolster and now lift it right off that bolster like a leg lift. Hold for 5 seconds. Go all the way back down till your foot hits the ground. Stretch over the bolster and then up. Hold for 5 seconds. All the way back down again. Okay, so to repeat, the first one you're doing without the bolster. Just a straight leg, toes up. The second one is with the bolster, and you're just straightening it over top the bolster. And the third one is straighten and lift. Alrighty, so no matter what your knee problem is, most people are able to do that basic exercise. As with all exercise, if you're having a problem, if it seems to be hurting more as you're doing the exercise, stop. Talk to your chiropractor, your physician, your physical therapist. Make sure that you're doing it correctly, or it may be that modifications need to be made. As always, we hope these videos give you some assistance and start you on your way. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.